Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand washing machine and you're getting an E18 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, when you get this error, before you get the error, you might actually have noticed your machine kind of shaking. And that's because the E18 error is an unbalanced load error. So when it spins, you notice that it's unbalanced, it might make the machine shake, and to keep from damaging the machine or something, it's going to stop and give you this E18 error. So the fix for this is pretty simple. All we need to do is rebalance the load. So just open it up and kind of move the clothes around or whatever you have in there so they're more evenly spread out around the circle so that it can spin in a balanced manner. And like this, sometimes, a lot of times you'll get this error when you're cleaning, you know, like a rug or something like that. When you have kind of one big heavy thing and it's sitting on one side. And if that happens, and if you can't spread it around, if you got some towels or whatever that you need to wash, just go ahead and add some other stuff to the other side to get it balanced out, and that should get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.